Changing your password frequently actually keep your account safe and secure from scammers and hackers. I recommend every time that you change your password, write your new password on a sheet of paper to keep them safe, and do not save them here on internet. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to log in into your Gmail account. Then you will tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then go to manage your Google account. Then you need to swipe on your left. Then tap on security. Then scroll down. Then you are going to see passwords here. So just tap on it. So enter your password. Then it will land you here. So you need to enter your new password and confirm the password. I'm just going to enter the new password. Then confirm your new password. Then once you've done that, just tap on change password. Then change password. So you can see your password was changed. So that will be your new password, and I recommend writing this password on a piece of paper. You should not save it for security purposes. That's it, guys. That's how to change Gmail password. If you found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.